Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create any design in Canva. You'll need to sign up for Canva account, and once you log in, you will see this dashboard. Click on create a design and select the design you need. So in this case, we are going to select, for example, Instagram story. So here you can select the templates they offer, or you can upload your own images or videos. So in this case, I'm going to use existing templates but change the design to my needs. Since I have a free account, I'll have to select only those which do not have this pro icon, which means those are not free. So let's see what they have here. Okay, I'm going to use this one and I'm going to make some tweaks right here. So in case I want to change the image, I'm clicking on this image and delete, so it's deleted. Now I'm going to upload the new, and in this case I already uploaded some, so I'm just going to select from whatever I have. So I'm going to use this one for the first one. It looks a little dark, so I'm going to try to make it different colors. So see here, you can change intensity, you can select different filters. I'm gonna use this one. This I want to move right here. I'm not going to change the name, but I'm just going to change the color right here. Let's leave it as is. Let's move this to the top, and I want to have some type of background. So in this case, you have to go to elements, and add this type of background. So move it right here. I want to change the background color to something nicer, brighter. Let's do this. I don't like this font either, so I'm going to change it right here. Let's change the font size so it fits the box. And I'm gonna keep it like this, so it's done. Now let's change this. I want to change this color to maybe something custom like this. I want to also make it a little bigger, and I want to have some effects for this one, so let's use here some effects. Let's use this one. Now let's do the same for this one, but I want to have a different color here, so maybe some yellow. Okay, now we need to change effects so it looks nicer. Maybe like this. Okay, good. And we don't need this, we can delete it. So here we can actually maybe add some effects too, or change the colors. Let's change the color so it's brighter. And let's also add background so it's more visible. Let's make it yellow like this, and boom. Also now I want to have some type of animation. I can select it like, I can select something like this. Let's do this one. Okay, this one is ready. In case I want to add the name to this design, I go to notes and let's name it design 1. So this page going to be named design 1. Now if I want, let's say, to add some music, I can upload some files. So here I have some, and once you click on it, it will be added automatically. Here you have more options what you want to do with this slide, and in case you want to lower the volume of your music, you'll have to right click, and here you will see more options what you can do. In this case you need to go to volume and play around to see what volume you like the most. Usually it should be under 20, 22, so it's not that loud if you speak, for example. But for this design, since there is no voice, it can be any volume. And that's how you create the design. In case you want to add another slide, you can just duplicate the page and change it right here. And once the design is ready, you can save it and download it. Just click save right here, so it is saved in your library, and click download. You'll have to select number of pages you want to download, select the file type. Sometimes you can just change it if you need something specific, and once you're done, just click download, and that's it. That's how you create any design with Canva. Also, just wanted to bring up that in case you need to resize your published design, let's say, you won't be able to do that in a free account. You will have to have a paid account for that. And also if you want to remove the background, let's say you want to have it as white, you also need paid account to do that. But the majority of their design options are available with the free account, and you don't really need to pay for the account to create any type of designs right here. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.